In this topic, we'll go through the main social media platforms to create successful social media campaigns for your business, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others. We'll see the different best practices for interacting with your social media audience and understand it. As social media is the umbrella term for web-based software and services that allow users to come together online and exchange, discuss, and communicate and participate in any form of social interaction. Social media marketing is a form of digital marketing utilizing social networking sites as marketing tools, thereby gaining traffic, brand exposure, and to cultivate relationships with consumers. When brands build relationships, this increases brand affinity and trust, which are highly valuable attributes for a consumer or audience. As you participate on conversation, grab to something that's entertaining or useful for the people you're interacting with. The main platforms for social media marketing are Facebook. This is the largest social media network and with bigger reach. Twitter, suited for real-time interaction and conversation. LinkedIn, for professional networking. Instagram, for curated photos and video. Snapchat, for vertical video storytelling. Pinterest, to save inspiring photos that are pins with how-tos and share them. TikTok, to share edited videos and storytelling. Setting up a social media experience for a business. Nowadays, most of businesses are active in more than one social network, so you can set up a few different accounts, and you will need to create a profile with a business version for your company profile. Some recommendations for these are to have a profile picture and cover photo that go along with the brand. For profile pic, this can be a logo or some variation. And for the cover photo, make sure there is a focal point to the photo. Company bio. Write an introduction of your business and what you do, and match the tone of the social channel and its audience to your bio. Keep contact details and links updated at the About section. Fill all the information and be consistent as possible. On the case of Facebook, business page design involves the strategic use of profile elements, pics, cover photos, business descriptions, and call to action buttons. When these are aligned to a business brand, the page can increase awareness of products and services and drive sales. Engaging with your audience using social media. Social media communities are these social units that share common interests, goals, and attitudes. A community must be engaged in order to keep its union, and social media marketer is responsible for its foster. Value of social media communities is they increase your brand visibility, brand affinity, and loyalty. So community members will be ambassadors of your brand and attract more followers. How you can build a community? Invite friends and family. Welcome customers. Use social interaction CTAs, click to action buttons at company websites. Social employer pages. When employers say select their workplace and make sure it's a public visibility. Use hashtags. Cross-promote. Use events. Respond to your community with a consistent voice. You can use emojis, GIFs, memes, and quote images. Create social media campaigns and link your Instagram account to Facebook Business Manager and create followers campaigns to generate growth. Work with influencers to generate awareness. There are two different types of content around business to business and business to consumer. For business to business, also think about person to person. You must include industry updates, testimonials, and short videos. For business to consumer, you may have more content about entertainment, more photos, customer stories, offers or deals, and also short videos. Steps for creating a social media campaign. Let's start to set the fundamental elements for a social media campaign. First, on every social media platform, you'll need to name your campaign. This will recognize the activity further by you and all team. Do not use generic names, such as Campaign June 2021, but rather a name with a consecutive nomenclature for a specific type of campaign. This will make it easy for constructing reports. Step 1. Set campaign objectives and KPIs. This is of utmost importance to decide a campaign objective that is aligned to your business overall strategy. There are different types of objectives: brand awareness, site traffic, purchase, lead generation, and engagement. After you set the objective, you can decide on a KPI to measure the campaign performance. For brand awareness, there are KPIs such as reach and impressions, views, social engagements, follower growth, and app downloads. For consideration, there are KPIs as clicks, site visits, and signups. And for conversion, there are KPIs such as sales, leads, and app downloads also. Step number 2, identify and set desired audiences. The second step for a successful campaign is to know your audience and define the target audience for your campaign. This way, your message will resonate to the right customer persona. Step 3. Set campaign budget and run dates. Third step is to decide how much you're going to spend on each social channel and how long this campaign will run. Your media plan will have detail about this total budget per channel, cost metrics like CPM or CPC, and the delivery targets, the number of clicks and impressions you want to achieve. Step 4. Create content and ads. Design your creative ads according to each of the platform's best practices, but keep a matching content. Also, always think mobile first. Design your ads and choose the right formats optimized for a mobile device and environment. Social media network management. Always maintain an updated posting calendar, a document that will help you to plan your campaign. This will ensure you to be prepared in advance when running a campaign. Hootsuite is the world's most widely used platform for managing social media, with over 15 million users. Analysis and reporting using social media platforms. There are different ways to analyze your social media campaigns. You can use the platform-native social media tools as other third-party tools to analyze data and create reports. Analytics tools such as Google Analytics, TweetReach, Sprout Social Simply Measured can be helpful. Also, community management social platforms can help with posting scheduling tools and have analytics such as Hootsuite, Sprinklr, and Buffer. Getting insights and analysis from these social platforms. Identify valuable metrics such as CTR, that's click-through rate, engagement rate, valuable interactions between all the interactions, conversion rate. These are the purchases between all the site visits. These are actionable metrics that measure efficacy of social media campaign and related to return on investment. Vanity metrics rely less on metrics that are social, more like likes, comments, and shares. These are not actionable and have little meaning unless tied to a business marketing objective, such as awareness, site traffic, etc. It is very important to install platform tracking and conversion pixels that will give insights into social's influence on conversion. Remember that social media marketing is a very alive part of digital marketing, since all social growth relies on building a strong social media community by engaging with audiences through relevant content. It helps to build relationships with customers, is agile, and increases brand value by creating social media campaigns with creative assets. usually getting good return on investment.